Hey guys, today is going to be another just like eye look for Halloween. I want to do a Frankenstein one. I know I did my full Frankenstein look the other day, but I want to do like I found this really cute makeup on Instagram and I want to do it. This is by Emily Perez. When I post the photo on Instagram, I will tag her in it so you can see, but basically this is what she has going on. So it's just like a green eye look with like little like kind of, you know what Frankenstein has, like stitches or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do today. So first I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the P. Louise base. I've just been watching like this Kendall Ray video and it like is freaking me out. So now I feel like, I don't know, I'm all like shaky and I need to like, I feel like I need to watch The Office or something now. Like I haven't even finished the video, and the worst thing is I'm going alone. It is daytime, so that's a plus, but like anyway, I feel like as soon as I finish filming I'm watching an episode of The Office because it's too heavy in here. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Be Perfect Carnival palette, and I'm gonna take the Hype first, and I'm just gonna map out where I'm gonna draw it. So the Hype is this shade here, and I'm just gonna take a little like liner brush, and yeah, I'm just gonna map out where this is going to go, because it's gonna be like a reverse cut crease look, you know. I've done them a couple of times. When you're watching this, we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube yesterday. And I do have something coming, which I'm very excited about. I was going to do it today, but I didn't have enough time and I didn't really want to rush it, so it'll probably be up tomorrow, depending if I get it done in time. It's nothing like too exciting, so don't get your hopes up, but yeah, I bought myself some stuff, so yeah, after I film this video I'm gonna film like a haul. I'm so excited. I thought, you know what, you only hit 10k once. Well, I've hit it twice now because on YouTube and Instagram, so but I was like, I'm gonna get myself some stuff, so I'm gonna do a haul and show you guys what I got. And I also ordered some stuff online, so that hasn't come yet, but anyway. No, it was such a nice day. Like, took my sister into town. I had to drop her off, and my mum bought me a present. She bought me a candle. And my dad brought me home some donuts. It was just like, it's just really sweet. I have like the most supportive family, and they just really mean a lot to me. I feel like I'm happy with how that looks, so now we're just going to fill it in pretty much. I'm burning my new candle today. It's this one here from Bath & Body Works. It's called Leaves. It smells so good. It's like sweet, but it's also like woody kind of. I don't know, it's a really nice scent. I like it. I ordered some Bath & Body Works candles this morning as well, because they put up a few of their they put up like a few, like their website's a little bit weird. I feel like they kind of just put things up as they get them in and then take them down when the stock's gone, like because they feel like they don't have much stock and stuff yet. Like they don't really do like big releases all at once, if you know what I mean, like I guess other sites would. But they put up a few scents like autumn and pumpkin apple and spiced gingerbread, so I was like yes, and I ordered them. So yeah, anyway, we're taking the Hype now, putting that all over. I thought when I went out yesterday, I thought I lost my wallet. I called all the shops I went to and everything. Like, I searched my car, I called all the shops I went to, I called my sister because she was the one that was in the car with me. And then I was calling like the like shopping centre and stuff. And as I was on the phone to one of them, my mum came in with my wallet and I was like, oh. Biggest relief I've felt for years. It had slid. So I checked all under the car seat. I mean, all under like the car seats. Like, I checked all like in my glove box, just like everywhere I possibly thought it could be. So I was just convinced it was in my car. But what had happened is, I have my nephew's car seat. I have my nephew's car seat in my car, and it had slid like behind the actual car seat. So thank God. Like everything is in there, like my license. Even like little stuff like drawings and stuff that Sam has done for me. So yeah, I was kind of more sad about that kind of stuff. I have a few of my lip balms in there. But no, my mum found it. Thank God. So then I had to tell the man on the phone. I was like, never mind, my mum's found it. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzler. It's in the shade Precious. And I just want to put like a real little bit of this like just in the center because I feel like he's like got some silver on him, you know? So I'm just gonna say it's just like a kind of pressed pigment, not pressed, like a loose pigmenty thing. I don't know if it'll stick, but we'll try. Maybe if I wet my brush I will. Just like that, like it only needs to be a little bit. Probably can't even really see that much, but. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex liner. And I'm going to outline this. Just like that. I might just do one eye on camera because my camera's about to go flat, so. And then we have like little stitches and these little lines and stuff, so that's what we're gonna do. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the other eye off camera. I'm gonna charge my camera, do my face and everything, and then we'll be back and I can show you the finished look. Okay, this is the finished look. I actually really like the way it turned out. I feel like the eyes could have been a little bit neater, but oh well. I feel like the whole look looks nice. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!